Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today we got this Honda Jazz EX 1.5 self-charging hybrid car in stock for you. We sold it from brand new as well. Came off a nice customer. Got twilight blue color as well. So in this video I'll be walking you around the car, showing you any wear and tear and the miles on this car. As you can see, it's a fairly new car. Not much to show about the wear and tear. It's an EX spec as well, so you get silver door mirrors, really nice. You got front and rear parking sensors, automatic headlights, 16-inch alloys there with the wheel trim on it, rear reverse camera along with the parking sensors. I'll show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely Jazz boot space. You do have storage space under here. The seats are magic seats. I'll show you in a minute. So as you can see, not much to show with regards to wear and tear. It's fairly a clean car. So you got ivory interior with the leather and fabric mixed. Got loads of space there. These are magic seats, so they go all the way up and lock. So you got more place for your house plants. All 4 automatic windows as well. You got keyless entry on the car. I'll jump in and I'll show you. You do have blind spot recognition system and the wing mirror there. So all 4 automatic windows there. The wing mirrors do fold, as you can see. Perfectly nice. So yeah, so the car's done 5,460 miles, which is nothing. Not even bedded in. Auto headlights, auto rain sensing wipers, multifunction steering wheel. You do have heated steering wheel on this car, lane keep assist and also adaptive cruise control. You do have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do have navigation as standard on this car. Really nice. You do have heated seats for driver and passenger with 3 modes on them. You got aircon, couple of USBs there along with your 12-volt socket. Storage space for your phone. You got your automatic gearbox, parking brakes with electric and brake hold along with the ECON Mode. So yeah, so cars here with us will live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.